Good day to everyone. I am Kurt Cobain, and now we will be discussing how to use Microsoft Excel and the basic functions of it. And since we are going to discuss what is Microsoft Excel and the basic functions of it, I have some pointers with me for you guys to know what are we going to tackle for today's presentation. The first one, what is Microsoft Excel? Number 2, what are the uses of Microsoft Excel? Number 3, basic functions of Microsoft Excel. Number 4, shortcuts of Microsoft Excel. And lastly, number 5, applying worksheet to Microsoft Excel. But the first thing we need to know is a little bit of background what is Microsoft Excel. Okay, what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a helpful and powerful program for data analysis and documentation. It's a spreadsheet program which contains a number of columns and rows where each intersection of a column and row is called cell. Each cell contains one point of data or one piece of information. By organizing the information in this way, you can make information easier to find and automatically draw information from changing data. Microsoft Excel was released in 1985 with no specific time and date. Excel is typically used to organize data and perform financial analysis. It is used across all business functions and at companies from smaller to large companies. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and also for iOS users. It features calculation, graphing tools, pivot tables, and macro programming language called Visual Basic for applications. And also, the developer of Microsoft Excel is none other than Microsoft Corporation.
How to use Microsoft Excel. This is how to use Microsoft Excel. These are the basics of Excel. Executing basic computations in a spreadsheet like adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing in a spreadsheet. Writing and formatting column, text, and titles. And now, I will teach you on how to create a table within Excel. First, open the Excel spreadsheet. Then create the After creating the data, select the cells that contain the information for the table. Then, click the Insert tab, locate the Tables group, and click Table. If you have column headings, check the box My table has headers. Then, click OK. After creating table, now I will teach you on how to create a chart using Excel. First, select the data for which you want to create a chart. Then, click Insert and look for the recommended charts. On the Recommended Charts tab, scroll through the list of charts that Excel recommends for your data and click any chart to see how your data will look. And last, when you find the chart you like, click OK.
Hi everyone, my name is Yanni Paul Basical, and today I want to show you the most basic functions in Excel. So let's do it mga kababayan.
So these are examples of the basic functions of Excel that are commonly used. The technique here is to always remember putting an equal sign before the formula. So let's start with adding the number inside the value or the number inside the cells. Pag pinitot mo yung equal sign, i-type mo to, sum, parentheses. Pag di ka mahirapang mag-add, i-highlight mo lahat to. Huwag mo to kalimutang i-close parentheses to. Yan, ito yung lalabas. Kasi kapag inat mo to isa-isa, mahihirapan ka. Halimbawa, 0 plus 1 plus 1. Mahihirapan ganyan. Kaya, i-highlight natin to para mas madali. Ito naman, minimum, ibig sabihin, malalaman mo kung ito yung kung ano yung pinaka lowest number. Ito yon, 0 ang nakalagay. Pag sa maximum, i-highlight mo muna, malalaman mo kung ano yung pinaka highest number. So 12. Pag sa count naman, malalaman mo to kung ilan yung given numbers na nandito. 12. Pag sa count A naman, i-highlight mo kasama to. Pwede to eh. Kasi ito, pwede mong tagdagan yan. Halimbawa, magsusunod ako ng pangalan ko. Yani. Tapos, Jacob. Tatagdag to. Pag sa average naman, i-highlight mo to kung ilan yung magiging average nito. Ito, 3.17. Kasi pwede itong bawasan ng 0, 0. Dati puro 0 to eh. So, pwedeng bawasan to. Pag median naman, pwede mong i-highlight to. Malalaman mo kung ano yung pinaka-parehas dyan ng number. So, 2. Halimbawa yan. Pag sa concatenate, susulat daw ng letter, tapos number. Equal sign, tapos i-type mo yung concat. Tapos, yan, parentheses, i-highlight mo to. Pag pinagsama mo to, ito yon. Pag sa if naman, halimbawa, female. Female, tapos equal sign, if, logical test, i-highlight mo muna to. Tapos, pindutin mo ulit yung equal sign. Tapos, may colon. May semicolon. Basta, ito. Type mo to, female, tapos may comma. Value if true, kung totoo, kung ano yung totoong kulay ng female. Halimbawa, pink. Comma ulit.
Let's talk about shortcuts. The shortcut key for the Ondo is Ctrl Z. And for the Rido, Ctrl Y. Next is the file. Press Ctrl N. And for the home, just press Ctrl plus home. For the basic component of the home, press Ctrl V, paste. For the cat, press Ctrl X. Next is copy. Press Ctrl C. To quickly insert a row in Excel, press Ctrl Shift. To use page layout, you need to use Alt P to select page layout, and to select the formula, press Ctrl D.
I will be encoding the data of the global top 10 list of plastic emitting rivers. I'll start with typing on A1 the title. Then, the labels in every column starts with A2 up to D2. Next, I will be encoding the data below the label in each column. Whenever the word is encoded in the sheet, you can easily choose then enter, just like here in the word Philippines. To make your data more organized, I'll change the font style and font size. Next is make the title and labels in bold so it will be stand out. Then I'll drag the content of my spreadsheet so that the content of this ends and column I and click the merge and center. Basically, I will be just resize each column to make it fit. For the fourth column, drag the D2 up to I12, then change it to center across. For the rest of the content that needs to be aligned and centered, just drag and center it. To make the labels more identified, I'll paint or highlight it with a blue one. And for the last step, just to highlight that the Philippines has invaded the list, I'll change the font color of the content that has Philippines as a country.